Today we're going to talk about solving two-step equations. And if you will look right up here, okay, I've written out the exact order and the two steps that we're going to do. Okay, step one is always going to be to undo whatever is being added to or subtracted from the variable. Step two is going to be to undo whatever is being multiplied or divided to or by the variable. So we're actually going to skip number one. I don't know why I put the hardest example as the first one. Okay, and we're going to start down here with number two. Okay, so on number two, the first thing we have to do is undo whatever is being added or subtracted. Okay, so what's being added? This plus 7. So we're going to undo that by subtracting 7. So that's going to leave me with 2x equals 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 2. And I'm going to be left with x equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, and again, my favorite thing about equations, we can check it and know if we're correct. Okay, so 2 times, I think x is 4, plus 7 should equal 15. I'm going to write check right here. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. What's 8 plus 7? 15. Does 15 equal 15? Yes, ma'am. So I know I got it correct because when I plug it in, it makes a true statement. Okay, let's look at number 3. So first step is to undo whatever is being added or subtracted. Here I'm subtracting 7. So I'm going to go ahead and add 7 to both sides. So now I have some number divided by 5 equals negative 2. Because remember, different signs subtract. Okay, and so now n is being divided by 5. So I'm going to undo that by multiplying both sides by 5. And that leaves me with n equals negative 10. Okay, I can check it out. Negative 10 divided by 5 minus 7 equals negative 9. Well, negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 7 is negative 9. So I know I got it right. Okay, so let's come up here and look at number 1. So this one looks weird because the variable isn't what's first, right? So this is still what I'm trying to isolate. So what's being added to 3b? 125. Because of commutative property, it doesn't matter what order I'm adding in, right? So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 125 from both sides. So 125 minus 125 is 0. And now what I'm left with is 3b equals, and now I have to subtract this. 7 minus 0 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. I'm going to borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so 3b is 29.97. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. I'm going to come over here to the side. 29.97 divided by 3. 3 goes into 29 9 times. That's 27. 2, bring down a 9. 3 goes into 29 9 times. Whoops, that's 27. 3 goes into 27 9 times. So b equals 9.99. So why don't you, go ahead and pause it and work out this right-hand side. Okay, do 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we'll come back and check your answers. Okay, on number 4, you should have got 58. Okay, 58, and here's how you do that. You add 9 to both sides. So now I have y over 2 equals 29. Now I have to multiply both sides by 2. So y equals 58. 29 times 2 is 58. Okay, let's look at number 5. The first thing I need to do is subtract 23 from both sides. Okay, negative 4.2 minus 23 gives me negative 27.2, right? They're same sign, add and keep. So now I need to do 27.2 divided by 8. 8 goes into 27 3 times, that's 24. And then 8 goes into 32 4 times. So B equals negative 3.4. Okay, number 6, you should have got 3. We're going to add 12 to both sides to get 4m equals 12, and then divide by 4 to get m equals 3. And then on this last one, number 7, you should have positive 24. So we're going to subtract 7 to get x over negative 3 equals negative 8, and then multiply both sides by negative 3 to get positive 24.